So this is a Peugeot 207cc, like the one in the title, and well, the window went down and it never came back up. So now it's up to me to figure out why. I think that the very first thing to do would be to take this door trim off. You can see I've already made a start here, but there are 2 screws that I know of, and some plastic clips around the side. I already removed one of the screws with a screwdriver that was evidently far too small. I think we have a match here, so you'll need a Torx T20. I'm not sure whether I should have done that, but I have. Go ahead and remove the control module. You know what? The control module's cute, it can stay. Just put him inside the door. There we go. That was far easier than I expected it to be. And I haven't broken a single one of the clips. I have no idea how, but I haven't. So I believe that with any luck, what I'm trying to find should be behind this piece of foam here. So, chop chop. So in an effort to preserve the original soundproofing, I've tried to extract this without ripping it too much. Obviously I've failed miserably, but I think that most of this can be repaired with a little bit of love and attention. This boy's messing me around. Having said that, that's only on a hunch. So I'm gonna steal the one from the other door and swap it over. And hopefully we should be able to get the window to go back up again. That's the theory. So after a peaceful removal of one door card, don't mind the footprints on the bottom of the door, and contending with one of the world's most annoying pieces of foam ever created, we can see there's another Temic module here. The ignition's switched on, and well, isn't that good? So, you know, as it turns out, you actually have to have the door shut to do the windows. Okay, no you don't. What about these? Nothing. Huh. Well, wouldn't you know it, some numpty had the ignition left on the whole time, ran the battery flat, so now I can demonstrate the windows do indeed function on this side, but unfortunately not on this side. So if I swap that module to here, my theory is that perhaps this side will go up, and then I'll know that the Temic module needs changing. So before doing any of that, I'll go ahead and disconnect the battery. I must say, one thing I do really like about this car is the way that the battery clip works. You just pull this back and it comes off. How handy is that? I am so thankful that these things are just right there inside the door, so there's no fumbling around or cutting yourself on sharp edges to worry about. There it is, without too much fuss. I'm gonna go ahead and mark it real quick so I just know that this is the one from the driver's side with a D. Yeah. And an hour later, I think I'm finally ready to give this a whirl. So, pop that in there, snap that down. Alright. So I've got both of them in, just in case the car decides that it really misses having two modules in there. So passenger side is on the driver's side, and the driver's side module is now on the passenger side. And I'm just stalling at this point, so let's find out if this worked. Now, instantly I just plugged the battery in, and you'll notice the window has risen. Okay. Oh man, I'm really nervous. Here goes nothing. Amazing. It works. How brilliant is that? And let's just calibrate it. Oh, yes. Brilliant. So as you can tell, I'm quite happy with that. So I think for the next part I'm going to get the module, the new one, and hopefully this will fix it. It seems to have done the trick here, so fingers crossed. Wow, thank you for watching.